Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to left side of your phone and see here there is a hole. If you would like to insert SIM card and SD card, what you have to do is bring your SIM ejector tool and insert this tool into this hole here and push down into the hole. This SIM tray will be coming out from your phone and take it out from your phone. And keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing SIM tray. Okay. In this side you are seeing one slot. On the back side you are seeing another slot. In this slot, second slot, you can put either one nano SIM or one micro SD card. Hybrid slot is given. Okay. So here in the first slot, I put a nano SIM. You have to put nano SIM in this direction. In this direction. Okay. See here. You have to insert in this direction. Okay, see the image in the tray. Okay, in this direction you have to insert SIM card. Okay, then flip to the back side. Here you can either insert one SIM card or SD card. SIM card should be inserted in this direction. See the image in the tray. Okay. Suppose if you want to insert SD card in the second slot, remove the SIM card and bring SD card. SD card should be inserted in this direction. Okay. Yes, inserted. Okay. If you want to only insert SIM cards, remove SD card and place SIM card there. Okay, so second slot is dedicated for both SIM card and SD card. First slot is only for dedicated SIM 1. Okay, that is a dedicated SIM slot is given in the first slot. Second slot is meant for both SIM card and SD card. Okay, either you can insert any one. Now flip to this side and bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Here insert. Okay, now open your phone and see there. Yes, two SIM cards are detected and click on next. Okay, so in this way you can easily insert SIM card and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.